I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Toyota Sienna. First, ensure your engine is completely cool before starting any work to avoid serious burns. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including eye protection and gloves, to protect yourself from chemicals. Gather all your tools, such as a large drain pan, a funnel, and the correct wrenches, before you begin the process. Next, locate the radiator drain plug, which is typically found at the bottom of the radiator on the driver's side. Position a large drain pan, capable of holding at least 2 gallons, directly beneath the drain plug. Carefully open the drain plug, and then remove the radiator cap to ensure a smooth and complete drainage of the old coolant from the system. After draining, close the drain plug and fill the radiator with distilled water. Run the engine until it reaches operating temperature with the heater on high, then let it cool and drain the water. Repeat this flush if the drained water is still discolored. Finally, refill the system with the specific Toyota-approved coolant, ensuring you use the correct 50-50 mixture for optimal performance. To bleed air from the system, run the engine with the radiator cap off until the thermostat opens and the cooling fans cycle on. Squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses to help release any trapped air bubbles. Carefully check all connections, especially around the drain plug and hose clamps, for any signs of leaks. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Monitor your coolant level over the next few days and top off, as needed to maintain proper engine cooling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.